Hello and welcome to Barnali's Kitchen. Yes, it's mango season here. Everywhere mangoes and mangoes. In this time, you can make any mango dishes like pickle, sweet, soup and many more dishes. But today I'm going to make a very simple mango pickle recipe which you can make very easily with your favorite spices. Here I have taken some raw mangoes and cut it long pieces, but you can cut it in your way. First, I am going to give some sunbud and then I'll show you the next step. In a pan, add half teaspoon methi seeds, that is feenugreeck seeds. Fry them for about until the color looks little brown. Once the color changes, then add 1 teaspoon jeera, that is cumin seeds. Now fry them together. Make sure that your flame should be very low. Once the jeera and methi smells nice, then add some mustard seeds. Here you can add yellow mustard or black mustard, anyone, that is your choice. But I am adding yellow one. Don't worry, the taste will be same. I have added 4 teaspoon mustard seeds in there. Now fry for few minutes in low flame. Once everything fried well, and turn off the flame and let it cool little bit. Once it is cool enough, then grind it. And here is the grinded masala powder. After the sunbud, here is our dried mangoes, nice and dried. Now I am going to mix all together. In a bowl, add the grinded masala powder. You can take all the masala or reduce it. In this time, I am adding 1 teaspoon black mustard seeds again. Add salt to taste. Here I am adding 2 teaspoons salt. Then add hing or asafoetida, half teaspoon. Now the main ingredients is chili powder. How much you want, you can add the chili powder. Mix all the spices together. Now put the dried mangoes there. Mix them together. Now add warm oil in the mangoes. And add vinegar 2 spoons. Now mix all together and keep it in a bowl for 3 days. And mix every day. After 3 days, you can keep it in the jar and enjoy whole the year. I hope you guys love today's recipe. I hope you guys like today's recipe. If you like this recipe, then please like and share the videos, and I'll see you soon in another video. Bye bye, take care.